it's so fresh, it's still moving. Wha Gwann, everybody. Today we're on the hunt for conch salad. There's one place in Nassau that they say is a must go for conch salad. This is Arawak Cay. Welcome to Nassau, the capital of the Bahamas. Located on the island of New Providence, it has a population of over 260,000 people. So this is Arawak Cay. There's just shops and restaurants where you can get a conch salad, you can get cracked conch, you can get all types of seafood. We're going to check out some conch salad now. Fresh conch that they chop up and mix with vegetables, onions. There's a tropical one and there's just the original conch salad. So there's two types of conch salad. What's the difference with the? No, you could go. What's the difference with the tropical and the regular?
The tropical has fruit on it.
The tropical has fruit on it. Yeah. Like what? Mango, pineapple. Yeah, man. We have to try a piston as well. Them say the piston is what make the engine fire. So it's just dicing up some fresh onions, and that's one of the main ingredients in conch salad. Fresh onions and fresh conch. Green pepper. Just a quick chop, dicing up some tomatoes, some onions, some green peppers, and this is what makes the conch salad really special. It's got fresh ingredients, those acids coming out of the onions, mixing with that fresh conch and the lime juice that they put in there. So that's a green tomato also. Big butcher knife chopping up. That's a conch that just came out. The star of the show. So that conch is clean already, you can see its skin. Usually when we get conch in Jamaica, it has the skin on. And we do it a little different because we like to beat the conch. We only beat the conch when they're doing cracked conch. It's moving. Yes. Oh, it's so fresh, it's still moving. There's movement on the conch. You could just put some lime juice on that and just bite right into it. That's how fresh the conch is. Wow. finally chopping up that conch. I mean, the conch is still moving, that's how fresh it is. Scores it and then cuts it, dices it up into small fine pieces so that each time you get a bite of the salad, you get in a piece of conch in it. I'm really excited for this. This is one of my favorite meals, conch salad in the Bahamas here at Arawak Cay. A little lime juice on it to make sure you get cut the rawness and then dice off some of the parts. What's that part called again? The skirt? That part of the conch that you just diced off.
The orange part?
Yeah.
What's the orange part? The orange part.
Yeah.
What's it called?
Just like you call it, orange part.
What's it called?
That's orange part.
That's all you call it?
What's it called?
You said they call it the orange part.
Oh, I have a friend that called it like the skirt or something.
No other specific name. That's the name.
Now the mango come in. I mean, the sweetness of the mango, the tartness of it as well, because it's not a ripe mango that they're using. They're actually using a turned mango, which will stay firm, it won't get soggy, and it will add that sweetness to it. Working in tandems. So to the right, they're cutting up the conch. To the left is the pineapple, the mango. That will go into the tropical conch salad. The other one will be just a regular conch salad, no fruits, no vegetables, just the tomato, the green peppers, and the onions. Quickly peels that. I want a little in one. Pepper, yes, please. No, this is one of my favorite parts. They're going to do a regular one, see cutting up a little bit of pepper. So add a little spice and sprinkle some lime juice. This is it now. Mix everything up. You're just heaping all of that, the freshly cut onion, the tomato, the green pepper with a sprinkle of lime juice. You can smell that fresh lime just bursting now. And what they say is it's raw, but it's not really raw because the acidity from the lime helps to cook it. So once you keep it in there, it's almost like a ceviche. And then the other one now, so what's left? That one is a regular conch salad, and then just piling on now for the tropical conch salad. Just massaging, making sure that mixture is perfect, that mixture is right. Oh, the oranges, the smell of the citrus, the acidity of it. And just topping it off with some orange. So really and truly what they're creating is something like a sour orange. So that orange and that lime will just mix together and create a sweet and sour flavor that will almost mimic like a sour orange is what we're trying to get, that type of thing. Look at the size of it. This is like a Conch sky juice. Pop it off. Okay. Thank you. And then out the window. 1. Two. 3. Respect, man. That's the piston?
Yes, sir.
And what does that do?
That's good for you, man. That's good for your back.
Good for my back?
Yeah.
I don't get it.
Natural Viagra.
Natural Viagra?
Yes, sir.
Stamina?
Yeah.
Let me see, it's clear. This is a piston.
Right.
So that's the Conch piston.
Yes, sir.
And I'm saying anything with piston make the engine fire. Good for your back?
Yeah.
Natural Viagra.
Conch piston, wiggly, odorless, colorless, and slimy. It's known as Bahamian Viagra and part of the digestive system of conch, believed to be a natural aphrodisiac by Bahamians. Not so, say scientists. Hey, who am I to judge?
Not much flavor. Just so almost like a conch consistency, but not much flavor at all. Them say this is natural Viagra. This is what gives the aphrodisiac of conch and just puts the stamina in a man's back. This is something that the Bahamas is known for and that you must have when you try here is what I heard. So we had to try one of the pistons. Now we have to go see. Amanda not here, so I can't see if all engines are firing, but so far so good. Can't wait to go try this conch salad now.
Ready? Rolling?
Rolling.
This is the regular conch salad. This is the tropical conch salad. This is my favorite though, regular.
Why?
Because I feel like you can taste more of the pepper and the citrus in this one, and that one's a little more sweet. So, yeah. I think the mango is like, it's a strong, intense flavor, and I like this one. Yeah.
Conch salad is one of the must-try dishes when visiting the Bahamas. It originated with the Lucayans, the original Indian settlers in the Bahamas. They used to dice up fresh conch and use the shells for different artifacts, tools. There are 2 main types of conch salads. There is a regular conch salad and there is a tropical conch salad. The regular conch salad consists of fresh vegetables. The tropical conch salad has fruit in there, so it has fresh mangoes and it has pineapple in it. So it gives you a more sweet flavor. The textures are similar. They don't use ripe mangoes in it, they use churned mangoes, so those mangoes stay firm, stay fresh, and provide that sweet, tart taste. We have to try this. We can scoop up and get a nice piece of conch, nice piece of holy pot onion, holy pot thing. I mean, you could literally drink this after.
Great food, you know? Yes, you're married.
Where have you been all my life? Conch. The sweetness, the conch, that white meat. We saw how it was moving when he was dicing it up. That fresh conch. It's tender and it's just flavorful. Really, really flavorful. With each bite you get in different textures, different flavors. One bite a while you get that pepper that he put in, not very hot, just nice flavor on it. But that onion provides nice acidity to it. It's not overpowering, not a burning flavor that onion can give if you have add too much onion. But the freshness of it, the freshness of the salad itself, with everything that's diced up and chopped up in there, really quite flavorful, really quite seasonal, and just a little bit of salt to add and bring out the flavor. Really burst, really nice. And I could drink this and eat this any day of the week. When that pepper hits you, just the right amount of spice, right amount of flavor, heightens the taste of it. Really unique, really splendid, really one of a kind, really Bahamian. We're going to switch out now and try some of this. The smell of the pineapple is really pronounced. Look at all of that flavors of meat that's on it. Let's get it.
Oh, you want a nacho? When you was a nacho?
It's funny how some things can be the same, but yet still they're totally different. So it's the same ingredients, but the pineapple and the mango just adds a sweetness to it. Really cuts the tartness of the lime juice as well, and the acid of that. I don't know which one I prefer, and I'm not going to say which one I prefer because I really don't prefer any. Both of them are just amazing. Wow. Really flavorful, really unique, and then boom, there goes the pepper hitting you with some of that spice. Not too hot. I don't have to run for anything. Pepper is really just added flavor, just that added hint of something that just bursts as well. And it really just adds that special hit to a totally fabulous, unique dish. Alright, so that pepper just hit me and I had to bust a cough. That was, oh my. Pepper in this one is way more intense than the pepper in when you get to a certain place. Hi, how are you? Funny how you can take the Jamaican out of Jamaica, but you can't take the Jamaican out of the Jamaican. The place we ended up was called Big Yard. Conch salad was absolutely fabulous. Fresh, tarty, and sweet.